It's Wednesday. Weather's good. We en route to Niagara. Just getting used to our rental and getting used to the map in Toronto. But yeah, en route to Niagara, trying to map some side quests in Niagara, trying to look around, have a good time. Yeah, keep you guys posted.
Yes, that's okay.
That's
Something sweet, right?
A pit stop on our trip to eat. Short trip, like a 2-hour ride, but then a pit stop, We got some energy drinks for the ride. We did some snacks, but we didn't have any breakfast, to be honest.
Okay.
But yeah, just wanted to watch for time. Yeah. What are you expecting from this trip?
This trip, I need to score a good score in IELTS. That's the only thing I'm expecting in this trip. So instead of practicing, you're just roaming. I like this logic. It's just English, right?
On our way to the actual fall spot. Gonna get some pictures of the falls with everyone, Look at the falls for a bit. View at one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's actually the 7th wonder of the world, Niagara Falls. The Canada side, not the US side. US side is so apt. You guys will see for yourself. But yeah, we are trying to do an activity today. We are going journey behind the falls. It's where they give us raincoats and we go behind the falls. So keep you guys posted and we'll take you guys along with us, tag along and have fun. Are you going? So guys, we've been here for like 20 minutes. We've been viewing the sides. Pretty good. The US Falls has a beauty of its own, but no disrespect to US Falls. Canada Falls are way better. So we've been taking pictures, some nice candids, a little bit content from the vlog. It's time to go back to the journey behind the falls. Tag along.